Our new design with great potential to be the hot seller in 2022. It is not only beautiful in appearance but also comfortable and relaxed while you sit on it. Hi, I'm Lorena and the chair I'm talking about right now is Cira. Cira can be placed in any part of your home, no matter the living room, bedroom, or the dining room. Its cozy shape and the matte color allow the chair to be combinable and straightforward with any type of environment. The chair was created by our own designer with the idea of giving the chair a square pillow design that attracts people to sit down and feel the comfort without losing its elegance and simplicity. We selected the matte velvet to perfectly match its particular shape, lining it up by natural wrinkles and slight curve piping around. We have an extensive range of colors for the fabric type. The legs are made of black painted metal. They can be knocked down to make the package as small as possible. The seat interior is caused by high-resistant plywood. It can support up to 120 kilograms. A thick foam at the seat offers soft touch while sitting on. If you're interested in using another type of fabric for this chair, we recommend standard velvet fabric or microfiber. For this chair, we are offering a very competitive price and most importantly, it has a very high loadability. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you would like to know more similar products, click here.